Hey there, budget buddies. Welcome back to our channel where we break down practical money management tips. Today, we're diving into how to budget variable income in YNAB. If you're a freelancer, gig worker, or anyone dealing with unpredictable earnings, you're in the right place. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a fantastic tool for turning financial chaos into control, even when your income fluctuates like the weather. First off, let's get real. Variable income can be a nightmare. One month you're flush with cash, the next you're scraping by. But YNAB's zero-based budgeting system changes the game by assigning every dollar a specific job. Start by tracking your income as it comes in. As soon as you get paid, log it in YNAB and decide where it goes, whether that's rent, groceries, or that fund you've been eyeing. Next, build a buffer. Aim for at least 1 month's worth of expenses set aside. This acts as your safety net during slower periods. Think of it as your financial shock absorber. Then, prioritize your categories. Focus on essentials first: housing, utilities, and food. YNAB makes this easy with its category system, so you can see exactly where your money stands. Don't forget to review and adjust your budget monthly. Life isn't static, and neither should your budget be. Use YNAB's reporting features to spot patterns in your income and tweak accordingly. For example, if you notice seasonal dips, plan ahead by cutting back on non-essentials. The beauty of YNAB is how it empowers you to feel proactive rather than reactive. No more stressing over surprises, just smart, intentional choices. If you're new to YNAB, I highly recommend signing up. It's a game changer. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. Stay tuned for more tips, and remember, you've got this. See you in the next video.